Ich muss kurz.
Du musst etwas werden.
Nö, nicht zu lange.
Sind du ja eine Person? Nein. Weißt du, was ich mache?
Okay, sitzen.
Sollen wir nicht die Tanzapfel von der Straße wegräumen?
Nö, die können einfach zermatschen.
Evelyn, weißt du, wie schön Tanzapfel sind?
Brauchen wir 5 Minuten, bis sie da sind.
Nö,
Ciao.
eine.
Was?
Eine. Nö, eigentlich nicht eine.
Wieso machst du ein Video?
Weil ich so. Hat Mama Probleme oder was? Hat Mama ein Problem? Bitte radier nicht die Blumen weg. Sonst raste ich aus.
Die hübschen Blumen. Der hat zu viel drin. Der müssen mehr ausgenährt werden.
Der wird die ganze Zeit. Siehst du die Klappe dort?
Ja.
Dort kommt es raus.
Umso länger musst du jetzt ohne stehen, wenn er nicht funktioniert.
Und wenn die nicht funktioniert, oh, dort wird er so leid tun, wenn der nicht schneller macht. Weißt du, was ich immer mit ihm mache? Wenn er aus ist, weißt du, was ich mache? Weil er immer so langsam ist. Weißt du, was ich mache? Ich kick ihm die ganze Zeit. Wenn er aus ist, ich kick ihm die ganze Zeit. Weil ich ihn hasse. Der ist nicht mein Freund.
Da kommt unsere nehmen.
Sind die schneller?
Ein bisschen. Ja, check. Ja, check ihn nicht damals angeguckt. Ja, check die Decke nicht.
Guck mal die Blumen an.
Diese Frau hat die Blumen überfahren.
Ja, lass die doch.
Wie kannst du nicht cool bleiben?
Schüttel mich nicht mal aus. Are you done?
Ja.
Guten Abend. Busano. Only once. What means Busano?
I did do this last time. Hello.
What last one? And who last one?
Emily, plug it. Why is the plug off? I don't know, Rita, no.
What?
No, no.
What?
No. Evelyn, here. We have already swept. Try to get it. That place. I've already swept there. Then try to get it together.
Honey, but I want to help you at all.
I have said you make the video. Ada, get the bag. Where is the bag? Ada, where is the bag? Get the bag and Evelyn, pack it inside the bag when you put it.
Seit wann kommst du vor?
Give it for Evelyn.
Ada, hol die.
Go back. No. Go
Ada,
back.
hol
Richard, go back. Go back. What is that? How did you stop getting to your body? Hey, Evelyn. What's the meaning of that?
Sorry. Yeah? Thank you. Not the best. Thank you. We have too much. Tell me how we first. Ali. Ali. Mommy, I can drive with one hand.
Ada, night. Oh my goodness, guys. This takes all of me. When I say all of me, I'm serious. This takes all of me. You know when this thing, I'm not gonna lie, that machine was too heavy for me. It was too heavy for me. Seriously. But sometimes you have to do things yourself when you're kind of like too ashamed of things and things are not being done. You have to do it by yourself. You just have to step in if you don't want to be ashamed of yourself. Seriously. For the past 2 weeks, I've been ashamed of myself. But today I'm like, what will it take me to do it all by myself? Let me do it. That is how I end up here. And as I'm talking to you now, the kids are hungry. They have not eaten. But there is food just for them to warm the food. They are still waiting on me to come and do that. And everybody is crying. Richard is crying. Liam is crying. Of course. But yes. I need a shower. Look at my hair. Very soon now. This is one of the reasons why I start driving. You see all of these things? Because if I'm driving now, I will go and throw them away by myself. If I'm driving, I will go and throw all those things away by myself. But it's because I'm not driving. That's why they are all still here. But you guys will hear that I'm get angry one day and just carry the car and go and throw those things away. Last weekend, I asked Robert to throw these things away.
No, it's again better.
When I wash it, I'm going to the shower now and I wash it and comb it, they will all go off. Thank you.
Mommy.
My boys, they care a lot too. I was opening the brief cancer, what is it called in English? Brief cancer, letterbox, the postcast. And Richard came in and took the things and take the key. Why Ashley told Ashley to dust my hair because he said there's a lot of stuff in my hair. And then he called. Oh, Richard is tapping my back. Huh? But
Mommy, can we do it again today?
I'm going to take my shower.
With